friendly neighbors. Ajay and Neeraj were playing in the ground with the other children. They saw an elderly lady coming from the market. She had 2 bags in her hands and they seemed to be heavy. She found it difficult to walk with the bags. Ajay said, "Look Neeraj, isn't that Aunt Komal there?" Neeraj said, "Yes, you are right. That is Aunt Komal, grandmother of Meenu and Mahendra. Ajay, come, let us go and find out if she needs help." It seemed that the bags were heavy. Both the boys came running to Aunt Komal. Ajay said, "Auntie, do you need some help?" Aunt Komal tried to recognize them and asked, "Are you Sheila's sons?" "Yes auntie, let us give you a helping hand." They both took 1 bag each and carried them to her home. She thanked them. 2 days later, the doorbell rang. Sheila opened the door. There was Aunt Komal with a jar in her hand. Sheila said, "Come in, it is nice to see you." Aunt Komal sat down on the sofa. "Here are some gulab jamuns for your sons." Sheila was surprised. "What is the occasion? Tell me," she asked. Aunt Komal replied, "Your sons helped me when I was coming home from the market. The bags were heavy and I couldn't walk. Your sons came and carried them home, so I made gulab jamuns for them yesterday. I am happy that I have such nice neighbors like you." The boys were not at home, so Aunt Komal left, leaving the jar with Sheila. She kept sitting and started thinking the same thing. "I am happy, I have such nice children. I am fortunate that I have such nice neighbors too. We should love and help our neighbors."